In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add labels in Google Keep. Labels are a simple, powerful way to organize your notes so you can find what you need faster. Think of them like tags. You can attach them to any note and then quickly filter your view to see only the notes that match. Let's start on the web. Open your browser and go to keep.google.com, then sign in. Once you're in, click the note you want to label to open it. Inside the note, look for the three-dot menu, usually in the bottom right or top right of the note card. Click that menu and choose Add Label or Change Labels, depending on what you see. This opens a small panel with your existing labels and checkboxes. To apply labels, simply check the ones you want. You can add more than one label to the same note, which is great for cross-categorizing. For example, a note might belong to both work and ideas. If you don't see the label you need, create it on the spot. Type the name into the field, then click Create. Keep adds it to your label list immediately and applies it to the note. After you've added a label, you'll see it displayed at the bottom of the note. That's your confirmation it's set. You can return to the three-dot menu anytime to change labels as your organization needs evolve. Once you've labeled a few notes, the payoff is in the sidebar. Look to the left side of Keep. Your labels appear there as a tidy list. Click any label to instantly filter your view and show only notes with that label. It's a fast way to switch context, whether you're preparing for a meeting, planning a trip, or sorting personal tasks. If you prefer to set up your label system before labeling notes, you can create labels from the side menu. On mobile, open the side menu and tap Create New Label to add a label in advance. On desktop, open the side menu and select Edit Labels to add, rename, or organize your label list so it's ready to use when you start tagging notes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep label names short and consistent so they're easy to scan, and avoid creating too many similar labels that could overlap. Start with a handful, use them for a while, and refine as you go. That's it. With labels set up, your notes become easier to manage, and finding exactly what you need becomes just a click away.